2.
Okay.
Find the lateral surface area of this right prism. So just a moment ago we got done saying lateral was the sides, right? So lateral surface area, what they want to know is what's the area of the 5 faces here. So this one, and this one, and this one over here, and the 2 in the back. That's what they're asking for. How much the area of these sides. Now, if we just deal with surface area, the surface area formula I gave you was SA is equal to 2B plus pH, right? Now let's investigate that formula and figure out where the lateral surface area lives in that formula. Okay, the lateral surface area is the area of the sides. Is it the area of the top or the bottom?
No.
No, the top is not a side, the bottom is not a side. So imagine you got this cylinder or prism sitting here with the top and bottom. The area of these faces here is what we're looking for. This is called a base, and the bottom is also called the base, right? How many bases are there? 2. Notice our surface area formula. 2B, what do you think that is? The area of?
Base.
The bases, so what is pH? This is the sides, right?
Oh.
So when we look at the surface area formula, it's 2B plus pH every time. If they ask me for the lateral surface area, they're asking me for the surface area of the sides, the lateral surface area of any prism is simply going to be pH. The perimeter of the base multiplied by the height, that's the area of all the sides. Now, if we take a look and investigate more, I know how long one side of this thing is, right? To find perimeter, I have to add up all the sides. But there's also another word in here that you may or may not know. It says regular pentagons. Regular any polygon, for that matter. When you see the word regular in front of a polygon named regular quadrilateral, regular pentagon, hexagon, whatever, it tells you that angles and sides are all equal to each other. So, if this side over here is 8, then this side is also 8, and this side is also 8, that side back there is also 8, and this one way back there is also 8. So if they're regular polygons, we know how long each side is if we know how long one side is. 8 times 5 sides is going to equal 40. So the perimeter of this is 40.
Times the height.
And the height of this is 15. And lateral surface area is just the product of those two numbers. So the lateral surface area is going to be 40 times 15,
600?
which is 600.
Meters.
And area is going to be in square units. We're dealing with meters, so 600 meters squared would be the lateral surface area. So it's very much like surface area, except we don't have to worry about the B part because we're looking for the lateral surface area, just pH. Find the perimeter, find the height, multiply them together, and you're done.